Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use Stage Manager. So let's start. First of all, we need to activate Stage Manager. In order to do that, move your cursor to this icon over here that is on the left side of the date and time. Click on it and then find Stage Manager and click on it. Once you click on it, it will be highlighted, which means it's enabled. So once we have Stage Manager enabled, let me show you what it actually does. When we have certain windows opened, for example, calculator, timer, opera, or maps for that matter, the Stage Manager on the left side, if we move our mouse to the left side, as you can see, we can see those opened windows. So we can easily swap between them using the Stage Manager. And if the window is not on full screen like this one, we will see Stage Manager all the time on the left side. So we can just click on it. And if the window is full screen, as it is right now, we need to move our cursor to the left edge of the screen and it will slide out just like it did right now. So we can easily swap between the windows by simply moving the mouse to the left side, and we'll see all of the windows that are out there. And of course, if the window is not on full screen, it will be like this. You can switch between them easily. So this is a new feature that Mac introduced recently. That's how you can use Stage Manager. Please let me know in the comments if you find this tool useful or you're not going to use it at all. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.